gotta love it. I'm in the hospital again. Got bit by a cat. Pulling my dogs off, so. Got my tetanus shot. Pulled the cat off, opened his mouth with my hands. I'm an idiot. And Laura's gonna kill me because it's the night of her party. And, you know, I still have my freaking broken elbow. So. It's now 6:30, the party starts in 1/2 hour. So. Adventures of Scott continues. I just got my tetanus shot, emergency room. I got a broken elbow. I got a cat bit hand. I got a Snoopy Band-Aid. I got blood all over me. And I'm at the hospital again. This is the story of my life. I broke my elbow. And I've got to wear this for the next 6-8 weeks. The poodles did it again. Show your faces. Margot. They got into a porcupine, same damn one every time. So, you imagine this, by the way. I have literally 4 standard poodles because I got the neighbor standard poodle, and then the cat and broken elbow and cat on my hand. It was insane. Unbelievable. Things couldn't get any worse. I'm now being pulled over by a cop. Hi. I just came back from the hospital. Okay. Cat bit me. I'm sorry. I was probably going 10 miles over the speed limit.
A bit more than that, but is everything okay? Did you get stitches?
Yeah, it sucks. And I just broke my elbow like literally 1 week ago.
All arms or all hands are tied up now.
I'm not on any pain medication at all. I waiting till I come home.
All right.
I really will.
I understand having some issues here, but still drive safe. Don't make anything worse by getting into an accident 'cause you can't stop in time.
No,
or getting a speeding ticket. So, all right, drive safe.
Thank you. I'd shake your hand.
I hope everything heals up okay.
I appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you. Literally right behind me. Lucky. Alright, I'm at our party, which I'm an hour late to, because, well, a cat bit my hand. Actually, it was hanging on my hand by his mouth, and I had to take this one with my broken elbow. I don't even know how I did it. I really don't, but I opened his mouth, and I flung him off, and I tried to grab Chloe, and Chloe chased him. The Adventures of Scott continues. That's my story.
No more gadget dance when you leave. Take your iPhone, iPad, even your keys. Well, there's a pocket for that. There's a pocket for that. Take it all.